my family, welcome back again in my YouTube channel Short and Bob Pixie Haircut. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewers? May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. In this video, I will talk about the short bob pixie haircut and short hairstyles for women who like the latest fashion. Short bob pixie haircut is a chic and versatile style that frames the face with choppy hair and a subtle texture, typically reaching the chin or ears. This cut is perfect for those who want a low maintenance yet stylish look with a range of variations from a classic or an elegant to asymmetrical and aggy. The short bob pixie suit many face shapes and the hair types, whether the style sleek and smooth or messy and done. This haircut exerts the confidence and sophistications, making it a great choice for everyone looking to update their look with a modern and trendy twist. The woman's short bob pixie haircut is timeless and versatile that exudes confidence and sophistications, perfectly framing the face with choppy layers and subtle texture, typically reaching the chin or ears. It is the cut is ideal for women who want the low maintenance and beautiful, easy to manage, and always look great, with a range of variations to suit individuals' taste and shapes. The pop pixie haircut can be the tailored to create a unique or personal look for the classic and elegant to asymmetrical and aggy. Styled sleek and smooth, showcasing a bold jawline and streaking features, or messy and undone, adding a relaxed and fresh vibes to the all-over look. This haircut is the incredibly versatile and adaptable, suitable for most hair types, including thick, thin, curly, or straight. The short bob pixie is a great choice for women seek a modern and trendy update to a hairstyle, offering a very beautiful, fresh, and the revitalized appearance that perfect for everyday wearing, special occasions. With its effortless charm and chic appeal, the short bob pixie haircut is a popular choice among women of all ages, making it is a must try for anyone look to the elevate their style and make a statement with their haircut. Hope this video like if you like my video, please promote me and tell me in the comments that kinds of video I should show you. And if you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. This style is perfect for those moments who like the latest fashion for their all types. These types of short haircut, the back is cut close with the subtle fade or the top layer and left longer to add volume and hint of undone charm. This modern avant-garde look is perfect for those who dare to the different and want a low maintenance, high impact hairstyle that's sure to turns ahead. Different types providing are related to the personality and groom the personal. Different personality types, just like the extroversions and introversions. The impact of personalities, relationships, and the communication. It's very important to groom your personality.